everyone's like, where's Feral Blaster Girl? Where's Feral Blaster Girl? Bring her back. And he's like, I need you back. We need to do this together, because he's very strong and good at the inventing part of it and the marketing. And he comes up with all the names and he comes up with all the tools. So it's amazing. Like, we have this Spuddy Knuckles, right? A spud puller, and it looks similar to something else, right? And so people are like, oh, I want that. It's gimmicky. And that's like how his brain works. So it's awesome, because we get cool, fun tools that's called the Spuddy Knuckles. So it's fun to be able to sell something that's
it is catchy.
So rad.